Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix USB printer not detected on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your printer is not detected when you are connecting through USB cable on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings. After that, in left side you will find system, click on that. In right side you will find troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find printer, just click on run and it will find and fixes this issue automatically. After completion of this, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then open the device manager. For that, right click on start menu, then click on device manager. In this you will find print queues, double click on that, then select your printer driver, right click on that, then click on update driver, click on search automatically for the drivers. After completion of this, restart your PC and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then try the another method. Click on search menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this you need to find print spooler. Click any one of the service, then type P. Then scroll down. Here you will find print spooler. Right click on that. Click on property. You have to make sure that startup type should be automatic. Then click on start, click on apply, then click OK. Then right click again, then click on restart service. Then close this window and restart your PC. After trying all these options, still it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to just replace your printer USB cable. Due to bad quality of your printer cable, it will not work. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix printer not working when you are connecting through USB cable. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.